What's going on, World Wide Web? It's your boy, Marlon O.Bennett. Guys, I'm the original student of game and internet marketing. And in tonight's video, guys, I'm going to be talking about how to actually automate your business, okay? You guys, you always hear me talking about done for you automated marketing sales systems and done for you automated marketing sales funnels. Well, they all, when I talk about that, the automation process, guys, they all revolve around having what's known as an autoresponder. Okay, so this is how I automate my business. And after this video, for anybody who's watching me on this video, guys, if you want to make more money in your business, right? You want to make more money with your affiliate offers, your products, and your services, then you can automate the entire process in terms of, getting people on your list, and then again, automating the entire process in terms of you following up with your particular list of prospects with your various products and services. Okay, so anyway, guys, one of the things I wanted to do tonight, because I'm always online, I'm always talking, and so you guys hardly ever see me with my family, but that's because they're camera shy. From my daughter to my sons, they're all camera shy. They hate being on video. I try to get them in videos. I got a few videos that they're actually on with me, and hopefully in the near future, guys, you're gonna see us out and about a lot. You're gonna see my family. We're just hanging out and want a lot more videos with me, right? So anyway, these are my two youngest kids. That's my son over here on the far left, Brandon. Of course, there I go, guys. That's my baby girl, my daughter, Tiara, and of course, that's my wife, Tina, guys. And so you guys will officially know that I'm a family person, guys, and have a very beautiful family that I love very, very much. And so these are just my youngest. I have an older daughter and an older son who are not in this actual picture, and of course my oldest son who passed away a few years ago, Marlon Jr. So that's just my family. So anyway, guys, let's get into the actual video. Okay, let's get into the actual video and what it is I want to talk about on this video. Now, for anybody who's in business, guys, it doesn't matter what business you're in, right? If you want to really, step your business up and take your business to an all new level, then you should be building a list, right? If you guys have been on my channel for any amount of time, you know I'm big on list building. I continue to grow my list with each passing day, guys, and this is how I'm able to make money online, and this is how I'm able, when I finish showing you guys throughout this video, how I'm able to not only build my list, but how I'm able to correspond with that list on complete automation. So again, this is how you can automate your business. So technically speaking, right, this is an actual review for one of my favorite autoresponders. It's fast becoming my favorite autoresponder. And so I'm going to show you guys how, if you are building your list, and well, if you're building your list, you probably already know. Let's just assume you guys are not building your list and you're brand new. So one of the very first things you want to do if you want to start building your list is to have a capture page. Okay, as you can see, this is one of countless thousands of capture pages that I have, and so that's the front door to the list building process. Okay, you want to be building your list. So let's just assume with me in this illustration, guys, I'm building my list, right? And so this particular capture page, which is the front door to the particular product, service, or business opportunity that I want to pitch and introduce to my particular target audience, this is where they would come in, through this front door, right? Through my capture page. Now, once that person comes onto my list, they would come down here and they would enter their email address on my list right now. I've taken this list, guys, in the background, and I've incorporated it with an autoresponder. And so the autoresponder that I'm talking about tonight is known as Get Response, okay? I love this autoresponder. I'm going to leave a link for where you guys can find this autoresponder. If you guys want to get in here and check this out, guys, you can get in here. You can start a free trial, first of all. I think it's a 14-day free trial, something like that. And you can have up to 1,000 contacts, right, for $15 a month, guys. And if for you guys who don't have an autoresponder and you aren't automating your business, you might want to go inside of GetResponse and check it out. Okay, now there are countless thousands of autoresponders you can get. I actually have 3. I have an AWeber autoresponder, I have a Power Lead System autoresponder, but this is the GetResponse autoresponder, and I love it a lot, guys. There is no end to what you can do with this in terms of corresponding with your list as you start to build it. So you guys just saw the capture page. Now that particular capture page is incorporated with this autoresponder, okay? So let me move over here and show you guys what you're able to do once you're inside of your autoresponder. Okay, now I'm inside of my back office, right? I'm inside of the interface or the platform inside of the autoresponder. Now, when you have that autoresponder, guys, you're gonna have an interface that looks exactly like this one. You're gonna have your contacts over here. You're gonna have, you know, email marketing, right? Is what this is all about. And we talk about automation, right? So this is how you can do it. Now, one of the other cool features is about this particular platform, guys, is you can create your own landing pages, okay? So if you don't have a capture page, for instance, like the one I showed you, you can create your own. Let me see how much time I got. I might have enough time to run over here and check it out real quick. Okay, now, guys, I've only created one landing page inside of this platform, and I'm going to show you guys what that looks like, right? Just for the sake of this illustration, this is a landing page that I created inside of the actual platform itself. Okay, now you'll be able to do this kind of thing when you own GetResponse. So if you don't have software where you're able to create your own landing pages or capture pages, when you get our platform, you become a member of the GetResponse platform, you'll be able to go ahead and create thousands of pages, guys, where they're already done for you, templates already set up for you. You can go ahead and just get creative and start setting up your own landing pages. So I just wanted you guys to see that. That's one of the features that you have inside of this platform. But what I want to introduce, what I want to redirect you guys to is a few of the lists that I've already started building, right? So I'm going to go to my email marketing, right? Now, when you get inside of your email marketing, right, this is one of the campaigns that I have here, guys. Let me go to autoresponders, okay? And I'm going to show you guys something. Now, over here, if you pay attention to me, you look over here on the left, guys. See where I'm up here at the top? Let me show you guys this. Right here, guys, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got about 8 separate lists just inside of this autoresponder alone. And what you want to do is you want to name each list, okay? But when you come to the autoresponder section, if you came over here, you see where I am on the right? This is where you would create, you know, where you would go in and you would create a list. Okay, once you get inside of this interface, you would create a list. And once you create that list, you would name it, and it would end up over here on this left-hand side on this drop down right here, where all the lists that you created, they'd be over here. So then when you talk about automating your business, what you're able to do, guys, now these are all different lists that I have, right? I want to hit all lists. So now all the lists that I have, they should show in a minute if they're not already. Okay, it doesn't matter whether they are or not. This is where you would go to create your list. And once you create those lists, guys, you're able to go in and start corresponding with the particular list that you built. You may have one list that's all about list building. You may have one list that's all about traffic sources. You may have another list that's all about one particular business opportunity that you're involved in. But the point is you can keep those lists separated and you can continue to correspond with each of those lists, right, as you're starting to build them. And you can keep them all separated, and you can go in and write up an email, right? Or you could even create what's known as a drip campaign to go out and correspond with your list on complete automation. So again, when we talk about automating your business, right? You talk about automating your business, that's how you're able to do it. This is how I'm able to have multiple campaigns running simultaneously. Now, I'll say this. I don't suggest anybody who's brand new try to start running multiple campaigns right out the gate, right? Don't do that, because all it's going to do is get you confused. You know, you're going to get sidetracked, you're going to get frustrated, and you're going to quit, okay? But you guys oftentimes hear me talking about skill sets, and you oftentimes hear me talk about committing to the process, right? So when you're able to do this, guys, when you have your own autoresponder, guys, let me tell you something. You own the process, Okay, I'm gonna say that again. When you have your own autoresponder, you own the process and you can automate your business. Now, for you guys who are on my list and you're brand new and you don't know what's going on, you guys see me. You guys receive emails from me on a regular basis, right? Whether it's every other day, every 3 days, however I choose to set up a particular campaign. And if you don't know and you're wondering how I'm able to do it, guys, I'm able to do it with an autoresponder. In this instance, the get response autoresponder. Okay. Again, this allows me to correspond with you guys on complete automation. This is why, guys, it's not out of the ordinary, right, for me to be out and about, right? Well, I've shot videos well in advance and I've loaded them into my autoresponder and I've set them up in a particular set of way that I want them to go out to my list. And even when I'm out and about, guys, my particular content, my business opportunities, my products, and my services, right, have the potential of being seen by countless thousands of people all over the country and all over the world, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days of the year. This is how we automate our business. If you are a serious internet marketer, right? I don't care whether you're an affiliate marketer with your MLM, with your network marketing, whatever your products and services are. It doesn't matter what niche you're in. If you're a person who are serious about email marketing, you should be, I can't put enough emphasis on this, you should be building your own list. And when you're building your own list, you should have, everybody who's serious about internet marketing should have an autoresponder. And so tonight, if you want to consider this my latest review on Get Response, I love this platform. I love the creative side of what you're able to do when you go inside of this platform, guys. What you can do it's endless. The power and the importance, I can't put enough stress and emphasis on of what you can do with your own autoresponder. So again, guys, I'm going to close by saying I don't care what business you're in. I don't care what niche you're in, guys. Number one, if you're not building a list, right, now is a great time to consider start building your own list, because when you can build your own list, you can build your own business, okay, no matter what it is. When you have your own autoresponder, you can start corresponding with the list that you start to build. List, plural, right? First, start out with just one, and you can start building multiple lists if you chose to, and multiple niches, right? And you can be corresponding with these lists all simultaneously, right? 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days of the year. That's how you automate your business. That's smart marketing and advertising, guys. And when it says here, all-in-one marketing platform to grow your business, there can be no truer statement, guys. So again, we're talking about, for you guys who sitting on the fence about it, you're able to get in here for just $15 a month, guys. 1,000 contacts, right? That's a lot of people, right, on your list, guys. And I'm talking about for starters. And as your business starts to grow, you can always increase the amount of contacts that you are able to have. But even for $15 a month, you can have as many lists as you want, guys, okay? And depending on the software that you use for your lead capture pages, guys, I have my Power Lead system. It's also integrated with this particular platform and Get Response. So again, what you can do in terms of what you have at your disposal in terms of resources and building a list and corresponding with that list on complete automation is endless. Okay, I can't put enough emphasis on it. So that's my spiel. I just wanted to jump on line and do this video tonight because I'm going to send it straight to you guys on my list, particularly because if you're wondering how I'm able to correspond with you guys the way that I do, right, this is how I do it. I do it with an autoresponder. You get emails from me from different places or different autoresponders, but this is one right now. This is the one that comes most highly recommended. You'll find out why if you just take the free trial. Get in here, guys, and check it out, okay? That's my time, guys. I got miles to go before I sleep. Thousands of more videos to shoot, okay? Anyway, this is your boy Marlon O.Bennett wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to live in a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Take care, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.